W-2 Expert. 5 ways to spend your tax returns. Number 1. Pay off that debt. The smartest way you can spend your tax refund is to pay down your debt. Being in debt is a weight on your credit score, and it can impact your ability to get auto loans, home loans, or any sort of loan. Number 2. Start a business. Have you ever thought about how many types of businesses you can start with your tax refund? Number 3. Save for a rainy day. Don't have an emergency fund? Start one. Already have an emergency fund? Add to it. Experts recommend tucking away 3 to 9 months of living expenses in case of a financial emergency. If you aren't quite there yet, your refund could get you on the right track. Number 4. Contribute to a retirement fund. We know retirement feels far away, but it may be best to make it a financial priority now. Number 5. Buy a house. A tax refund of $3,000 can go a long way to a down payment on a home, particularly if you're using an FHA-insured loan to finance the purchase, since you would need just 3.5% of the home price for the down payment.